Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tinned fish. Home canning fish is a rewarding way to preserve your catch, offering delicious, shelf-stable protein. It's crucial to follow specific safety guidelines, especially using a pressure canner, as fish is a low-acid food. We'll cover everything from preparing your fish to sealing the jars, ensuring a safe and tasty product for your pantry. Let's get started. Proper preparation is key for safe and delicious tinned fish. First, clean your fish thoroughly, removing the head, tail, fins, and scales. Then, cut the fish into pieces that fit your jars, ensuring about 1 inch of headspace. Next, soak the fish in a brine solution, using 1 cup of salt per gallon of water, for approximately 1 hour. This step enhances flavor and texture. Finally, drain the fish well for 10 minutes before moving to the next stage. Now for the crucial canning process. Pack your drained fish tightly into clean pint or half-pint jars, leaving 1 inch of headspace. You can add 1 teaspoon of canning salt per pint jar, or half a teaspoon for half pints, if desired. Wipe the jar rims with a cloth moistened with vinegar to ensure a good seal. Secure the lids and bands to fingertip tightness. Process the jars in a pressure canner for 100 minutes at 10 pounds of pressure, adjusting for altitude as needed. This high temperature is essential for safety. Once your tinned fish is ready, you can get creative with flavoring. After opening, consider adding a drizzle of quality olive oil, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, or a pinch of your favorite spices. Pickled vegetables like onions or capers and fresh herbs such as dill or parsley also make wonderful additions. Store your properly sealed jars in a cool, dark pantry for up to 1 year. Any jars that didn't seal correctly should be refrigerated and enjoyed within 7 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.